Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings everyone. We are from group 6 from class 1CC10. First of all, we want to thank to Allah the Almighty who bestow grace and sustenance to all of us. And we want to thank to our faculty, Mr. Riza, and other faculty to make this ISAS completed. And I want to introduce myself and my friends. My name is Haikal Abqori, and it's Diajeng Fathisyahana and Vino, Endang, Ramadan. And you might asking why we choose this topic. We choose this topic is because we want to study a lot more about the operating system, especially Windows 7. And we want to talk about Windows 7 a bit more further about Windows 7 Home Basic. And we want to study and hopefully we can share this knowledge to all of them, to all of you, and hopefully too you can share this knowledge to other people. And we're not going to take any longer. The next point is background will be explained by my friends Diajeng Fathisyahana. Please.
Background. The story of Microsoft Windows 7 entirely, a Windows version with code Blackcomb, was planned as replacement for Windows XP, or code name Whistler, and Windows Server 2003. Key new features are planned for Blackcomb, including an emphasis on searching and querying data and an advanced storage system called WinFS. To enable this scenario, however, an interim release codenamed Longhorn, announced in 2003, delayed Blackcomb development. Next, they put some of Longhorn major development work on hold early. They developed a new server pack for Windows XP and Windows Server 2003. Development of Longhorn or Windows Vista was also repeated and thus delayed in August 2004. A number of users were cut from Longhorn. Blackcomb was renamed in Vienna in early 2006 and became Windows 7 in 2007. Microsoft Windows, commonly known as Windows, is a family of operating system developed with graphical user interface techniques, or GUI, or graphical user interface. Windows 7 as the latest release from the Microsoft company for use on computers, laptops, netbooks, and tablets. Next, the purpose of making Windows 7 is more focused on basic Windows development to be more compatible with application and computer hardware, compatible with Windows Vista, so as to get the Windows 7 operating system that suits your needs, such as changing the text bar, using gadget, using the arrow feature, configuration account, personalization, for folder management, and more.
Okay, that is the background from Windows 7. And we're going to another point is what is Windows 7? And we'll explain by my friend Diajeng Fathisyahana, please.
What is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system that Microsoft has product for use on personal computer. Windows 7 may not have a lot of users, but they focusing on developing the previous feature that built in Windows Vista to make Windows 7 compatible with computer hardware and application which was compatible with in Windows Vista. Minimum specification required of Windows 7. Before installing Windows 7, you must know the specification on your desktop. This minimum requirement for install Windows 7, 1 GHz or faster 32-byte or 64-byte processor, 1 GB RAM, 32 bytes or 2 GB RAM or 64-bit, 16 GB available hard disk space, 32-byte or 20 GB or 64 bytes. DirectX 9 graphics device with VDDM1 or higher driver. Additional requirements to use certain features. 1. Internet access or fees may apply. 2. Depending on resolution, video playback may require additional memory and advanced graphic hardware. 3. For some Windows Media Center, functionally TV tuner and additional hardware might be required. 4. Windows Touch and tablet PC require specific hardware. 5. Home group requires a network and PCs running Windows 7. 6. BitLocker requires Trust Platform Module or TPM 1.2. 7. BitLocker to go requires a USB flash drive. The type of Windows 7. 1. Windows 7 starts a stripped-down version of Windows 7 that can only run 3 programs at a time. This version is ideal for netbooks. 2. Windows Home Basic, designed for developing countries. The version adds better graphic and internet connection sharing to Starter Edition. 3. Windows 7 Home Premium, built to fill most consumer needs. This version includes program for watching and recording TV on the PC, as well as for creating DVDs from video. 4. Windows 7 Professional. It met at the business market. This features everything from home premium post tools used by small business, extra networking feature, for example, and similar business tools. 5. Windows 7 Enterprise. Microsoft sells this large business version in bulk to large business. 6. Windows 7 Ultimate. This version I'm at the world of information technology specialists who spend much of their life in front of their keyboard. These are the types of Windows 7 instead of discussion all of them deep further. We will focus on discussion Windows 7 Home Basic.
Okay, that's the Windows 7. I hope your computer are capable to meet that requirement. And now we want to get a bit more deep about Windows 7 Home Basic. Windows 7 Home Basic is an entry-level edition that will be offered in a number of emerging markets to customers with low price PCs, such as Indonesia. And Indonesia, it costs $18 to buy it, or around 1.2 million. But you can't buy in the United States because it's legally available in there. And Windows 7 Home Basic, it sits between Starter and Home Premium. It has all the feature of Windows 7 Starter, and we also only be available through OEM, original equipment manufacturers made, that you can only buy in the official store. And also, like Starter, it will not include the iRogas or GUI, graphic user interface. And what are the features of Windows 7 Home Basic? The first feature is multiple monitor. This feature makes you able to use an extended monitor. Although the previous Windows OS will allow you to use monitors, Windows 7 Home Basic is an entry-level edition that will be offered in a number of emerging markets to customers with low price PCs, such as Indonesia. And Indonesia, it costs $18 to buy it, or around 1.2 million. But you can't buy in the United States because it's legally available in there. And Windows 7 Home Basic, it sits between Starter and Home Premium. It has all the feature of Windows 7 Starter, and we also only be available through OEM, original equipment manufacturers made, that you can only buy in the official store. And also, like Starter, it will not include the iRogas or GUI, graphic user interface. And what are the features of Windows 7 Home Basic? The first feature is multiple monitor. This feature makes you able to use an extended monitor. Although the previous Windows OS will allow you to use monitors, Windows 7 allows you to really control the display by changing the resolution, orientation, and appearance of item in each monitor. And you can choose either you want to duplicate windows or extended windows, and you can choose the second display only, or the first display only. And the second is desktop wallpaper changeable. It's features that able to change your desktop wallpaper. In Windows Starter, you can't change anything on your desktop wallpaper. And the third is Windows Mobility Center. Windows 7 offers a quick way for laptop owners to see the things that most affect their little PC on the go lifestyle. You can use the Mobility Center as a one-stop shop for tweaking your laptop main settings, adjusting brightness, changing the sound volume, saving battery power, connecting to wireless networks, and setting up external display or projectors. To get to the Windows Mobility Center, you use one of these methods. The first of all is click the Start button and choose Control Panel and click the icon for the Windows Mobility Center. And the second is to hold down the Windows key and press the X key. And what are the new features in Windows 7 Home Basic? In Windows 7 Home Basic, there are a bunch of new features. The first is Windows Center Arrow. Windows 7 Arrow is new user interface introduced in Windows 7 and certain windows of Windows Vista, which features transparent windows, borders, desktop Windows Manager, and taskbar thumbnail previews. And the second is about the jump list is you can, if you right-clicking the icon in taskbar, you can choose the previous folder that you opened before. And we're going to the point after that is advantage of Windows 7. The first is faster boot time. And the second is added a new menu on power, namely Hibernate Suite will still save computer data, but it's different than from sleep because it's sleep dead. The third is Windows 7 looks more attractive. 4 is use less power and more memory resource on the hard drive and RAM, even though the display is more attractive. 5, Windows 7 optimized perfecting so that the HDD or SD data or process become faster. And the 6 says, and the last one, Windows 7 has support touch screen technology with Windows Touch features and arrow features that are better than their predecessors. These fun types of Windows 7. The first is there is a bug in Windows Player 12. The second is not all applications support Windows 7. There are still some applications that cannot be run on Windows 7. Some applications that can be forced to run on Windows Vista cannot be forced to run on Windows 7. The third is some hardware that can be directly recognized on Windows Vista can't even be recognized directly on Windows 7. The fourth is there are very many difficulties between Windows 7 Starter and Ultimate. 5 is Windows 7 license price is relatively expensive, especially when compared to open to sources based on PC as Linux. And how do you install Windows 7? It's pretty easy, but it's kind of tricky too. And my friends Vino and Ramadan will explain to us how to install Windows 7. Please.
To install Windows 7, first turn on the PC, then enter the BIOS menu, and next enter the BIOS menu. In the BIOS menu, set the first boot. Next, set initial boots. Look for the boot tab menu to set the first boot. Set BIOS setting, click exit, and then exit setting change by clicking yes. Start first boot. The PC will start booting from the Windows 7 installer DVD. Wait for the process. In this step, do nothing. Select language, was English, then click next. Start the install process. Click install now to start the installation. Confirm approval. Click I accept the license terms. Then click next. Select advanced option. Choose the advanced or advanced option for the installation of Windows 7 system files. Organize partition. Arrange the partition as desired. Erase all system partition. Delete the old Windows system partition. Create a new partition. Create a new partition with sufficient hard disk space or capacity. Organize partition. Arrange the partition as desired. Wait for the Windows 7 file transfer process. Start the installation process. Wait for further processing. The installation process continues automatically. Then it